So y'all can get the channel back popular. Stop it. So yeah, man, we got some rain in Dallas, y'all. No cap, man. Now the sky look like the Simpsons, like the mud. The sky look like the Simpsons, y'all. Look, the Simpsons. Yeah, man, we ain't got some rain, y'all. And the clouds. It's gonna get hot in the mud today, y'all. No cap. It's gonna get hot, y'all. Today it's gonna be hot in the mud. Yeah, it is. But right now it feels good, y'all. No cap, y'all. What's up with it, everybody? What's up with it? What's up with it? I'll say. Yeah, man. I'm looking like the Simpsons. What's up with y'all? Good morning. Pop out right there. I gotta go get this money. It is, man. It's safe. It is. It is. All grinding gotta go shop. Be safe, everybody. Represent, represent. Man, playing no games. Drop the emojis. Drop the thumbs up, man. Represent, man. It is. I might pass out again. You never know. It is. I was say I was tired yesterday. I was passing out like crazy. Whoa. Oh boy. Yeah, man. I was tired. And then pop out right there. What it do? What it do? What it do? Yeah, y'all represent your channel. Pop out. Oh, I thought you said thumbs up. No, I'm tripping. No, I'm tripping. Represent. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Yeah, man. Everybody please be safe. Represent your channel, y'all. Yeah, man. So, keep this channel popping too. Yeah, man. We got other channel, man. Say, y'all, it just hit y'all 63 and 1K. Man, say, y'all, that channel, numbers, y'all. I'm gonna try to be on this channel, y'all. Best be focused on this channel real quick. About 2 weeks strong, y'all. I'm giving 2 weeks strong. I'm gonna bleed the block. You hear me? I'm gonna bleed the block. On my other one too, y'all. I'm trying to pop on both of them, y'all. You hear me? Cause Lord, that channel right there, y'all. That's something like a bad. You hear me? Also, I ain't even say. All my subscribers, come on over to this channel. You hear me? It's going down. Oh yeah, no cap, man. We're gonna get on popping now. No cap, man. I'm trying to tell you, man. Say, where I'm at, say, it's going down, y'all. So yeah, I got this channel popping. Then I'm trying to get my other channel, Guns and Music More. I'm trying to get that one popping too, y'all. No cap, man. You know, I'm gonna drop the videos anyway. Go, you know what I'm talking about? It just YouTube be hating sometimes. So, gotta wait. You know what I'm talking about? So yeah, I just drop my shit on YouTube. Do what they do, because anyway it goes, it's up there and it's stuck. You hear me? So they're gonna drop it or they're gonna mute it. You know, I don't I'll drop some more. So it's just all about like I'm gonna drop this shit, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna drop. They're gonna be mad. I'm gonna drop. I'm dropping non-stop now. Watch. So y'all get ready, y'all get ready. I'm telling y'all, get ready, y'all. We ain't playing no games, y'all. You hear me? We ain't playing no games, y'all. We gonna be dropping this shit. Yeah. Everybody think because they just seen the video. Oh, I seen that already. It ain't for you then. This shit is worldwide, okay? Let them haters know this is worldwide. So just because you done seen the video already, that don't mean somebody else did, okay? So, ah, so yeah, y'all, I'm teach you haters the game. You heard me? Teach you haters the game. You hear me? Yeah, facts. Everything you drop is new. Y'all gotta understand. Everything you drop is new because this shit is worldwide. You hear me? Person just might have missed it that time. You hear me? So drop it, y'all. You hear me? Say, y'all, I'm the bro. You hear me? I'm the bro. You already know. You know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna let you know. Say, drop it, y'all. No cap, man. This shit is easy, man. You gotta think about it, man. It's like 3 steps to this. You know what I'm talking about? Morning, noon, night. You catch people when they getting up, catch people when they on their break, and then catch people when they getting out. You gotta be ready. You know what I'm talking about? Or just drop, drop, drop. Anyway, go. They gonna pop. Sometime you just gotta play out. You gotta have patience. No cap, man. You know what I'm talking about? You gotta stay on top of your game. You hear me out? You got this, y'all. No cap. Shit is entertainment. Y'all hear me? Y'all gotta be ready to pop though. You hear me? You can't waste your time bull calling y'all. You gotta be popping y'all. No cap. It ain't nothing but video. Y'all. You drop shit that you like. That's it. That's all I do. Drop shit I like. Keep it popping. That's it. I'm not on this bitch on this bitch. Doing what I like. And that's it. Then y'all see what I like. And hey, you know what I'm talking about? You like it, thumbs up. If you don't, hey,